What is going on, guys? Liz over here at Pondering Creations Farm. I have something to show you. Kevin made this awesome chicken waterer, and I think you guys are gonna really need to see this. Let's go back to the farm. Okay guys, you know I love a good DIY, and most of my projects start in the recycle bin. So this project, I'm giving a thumbs up because you can make it very easily and it's not spilling over or anything like that. It's pretty stable for some of the bigger meat birds. So he made it pretty quickly. He just did a couple of holes. We did 4 holes on the outside of here. And then he made a couple of holes and some slits in the top of that. And you can see it's not overflowing and it's filling up on its own. It took him a little bit to figure out what height to get this to sit flush with the bottom of the pail. But once he figured it out, it really came together quickly. And here is a closer look at the top. We just did a couple holes and a couple slits. So I think I'm gonna have him make another one of these, and we'll use one of the taller Poland Spring bottles. And because we got turkeys, so now we need another one. And I don't have to run to the store and buy one of these because they're pretty pricey. And you can do these instead. When he was done, he actually did some holes on the side and reinstalled the handle just so it could move. Super easy to move, and I don't know if it's redneck ingenuity or genius, but I don't have to go to the store, so I'll take it. And then he was inspired and he built this feeder, which lasts a couple days. I had filled it up. It made a mess here because the goats got in here when they were out free ranging and they like pushed it to the side, but it's been working great for these chickens. Guys, we have been free ranging these meat birds and it is going great. These two have been fighting. They were getting muddy and having fun. I think this is like the best batch of meat birds we've ever had. Eating all the scraps from the garden. It's really working out having them right here. Guys, we moved the goats. This is their new house. Is that good? Did I scare you? Is that good? How's your lunch? Okay guys, I'm gonna get back to planting. I got some bush beans and carrots going in here today. So this is where I'm going to leave you. And I hope you enjoyed our video and can make your own chicken waterer. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.